In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lead management in Bitrix24 CRM. We'll start right from the beginning so you can get into your workspace quickly and know where to find the tools that support your leads and sales. Open your browser, search for Bitrix24, and click the official Bitrix24 site. On the home page, choose Start for Free to begin. When the Create Your Bitrix24 page opens, follow the prompts to set up your workspace. To speed things up, select the option to sign in with Google, then choose your Google account to authorize access. After that, confirm and log in to enter your new portal. Inside the portal, you'll land in the Collaboration Hub. This is where day-to-day teamwork happens and where a lot of the communication around leads is coordinated. You'll see task chats for quick conversations tied to work items, plus a co-pilot assistant that can help draft messages or summarize threads. The contact center is available to connect communication channels like live chat and social messages. Keep an eye on notifications so you never miss updates on deals or customer requests. Telephony lets you place and receive calls from within Bitrix24, which is especially helpful for first-touch lead calls. The market is where you can extend capabilities with apps. You'll also find collabs and channels, spaces for teams and topics that can keep lead discussions organized. There's also a company feed, use message to share updates with your team, and the poll option to gather quick input or make decisions fast. You'll see a collab shortcut here as well to jump into relevant workspaces. Move into Calendar to schedule demos, follow-ups, or discovery calls. For planning and structure, open boards to visualize work, and work groups to organize teams around clients or campaigns. Tasks and projects helps you break down activities that move leads through the funnel. Now, click into CRM. This is the heart of lead management, where you capture inquiries, track communications, and convert qualified leads into deals. From here, explore related tools that support your pipeline. Booking can help coordinate appointments. Inventory management is useful if product availability affects timelines for quotes. Marketing is where you'll create campaigns and nurture audiences. You may see multiple paths that lead into marketing, which is normal in Bitrix24. Sites and stores let you build pages that capture new leads. BI Builder provides dashboards and analytics for lead sources and conversion trends. The Employees section gives you a directory and roles. Automation streamlines repetitive steps like assigning new leads or sending reminders. Applications in the market round things out with integrations to tailor the CRM to your workflow. That's your tour. Follow these clicks and you'll be set up to manage leads efficiently in Bitrix24.